Hey there, YouTube family. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because your vanilla gift card keeps getting declined on PayPal, especially with all the updates in 2025. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through simple, effective fixes that can get you back to shopping in no time. This is a common issue, but with a few tweaks, you'll have it sorted out quickly. First things first, let's start with the basics. Before you try anything else, check your vanilla gift card's balance. Head to the Vanilla website or call the number on the back of your card to ensure there's enough funds. Sometimes, cards get declined simply because they're empty or close to it. It's an easy oversight, but it happens to the best of us. Next, make sure your card is properly registered. In 2025, many gift cards require activation or registration for online use. Log into your Vanilla account, if you have one, and follow the prompts to register the card. This step is crucial because unregistered cards often get flagged by PayPal's security systems. Now, onto PayPal specifics. Double-check that your billing information matches exactly what's on your gift card. That means the name, address, and any other details should be identical. Typos or mismatches are a major reason for declines, so take a moment to verify everything in your PayPal account settings. Once that's done, try adding the card directly to your PayPal wallet. Go to the Wallet section in the PayPal app or website, click Add a card, and enter the details carefully. If it still doesn't work, switch to a different browser or device. Sometimes, technical glitches on one platform can be the culprit. If you're still facing issues, reach out to customer support. Both Vanilla and PayPal have updated their support options in 2025, including AI chatbots and 24/7 helplines. Provide them with your card details and transaction history for faster resolution. And remember, avoid using VPNs or international IPs, as they can trigger extra security checks. There you have it, straightforward steps to fix that annoying decline error. By following this guide, you'll save time and frustration. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.